Dear students, I'm going to explain you the first A program, which is the LEX program. So here, uh, the program, it tells that we have to identify the identifiers and operators in a arithmetic expression, and we have to show the show that whether the arithmetic expression is valid or not. So for that, we have to write the LEX program. Function hash include studio.h we will use in the program, which is present in the library function, that is standard input output library, that is studio.h. Here we have declared some variable will close the flower bracket. Now from here action part comes. So if 0 to 9, if any digit is there, followed by 0 to 9 is 0 time or more than 1 time, that is star symbol, 0 time or more than 1 time, then this will be called identifier, and we will increase the variable id plus plus, and we will print the identifier and echo. Echo, what it does, it will display whatever that variable or identifier it encounters. Next, if we have plus, minus, into, or division or equal to, then it will be considered as operator, and it will action will be taken as it will increase the operator variable, and printf operator echo. Echo, what it is, this corresponding pattern it will display along with the operator message. So these are called patterns. If any patterns among these occurs, that corresponding action it will be taken. If identify 0 to 9 any number generates, then it will increase the action will be taken, it will increase the identifier, it will print the identifier, and it will display the which identifier has occurred. Similarly, if pattern is there, if any operator is present, then we will increase the operator variable, and we will display the operator message and echo the operator which pattern has come. Similarly, if we encounter, if the pattern is left parenthesis, we will increase the variable v plus plus. If we encounter the right parenthesis, then we will decrease the v minus minus, because in arithmetic expression, for a valid arithmetic expression, for every left parenthesis one right parenthesis should be there. So a corresponding action will be taken. If semicolon is there, then flag will become 1, otherwise flag is 0. Next one, if any other dot or new line, if any other character is there in the expression or new line is there, then action will be taken semicolon, that means no action will be taken. Next, so that action part over. Next come is main function. In main function, we will enter the expression, arithmetic expression will enter here, yy-lex. So yy-lex, what it will do, it will receive the arithmetic expression, and it will action part will be taken on the arithmetic expression. Next, if op plus 1 op plus 1 is equal to id, and v equal to 0 and flag equal to 0, there are three conditions. If number of operator E plus 1 is equal to number of identifier, and this V means equal to 0. Means if a number of left parentheses is equal to number of right parentheses, so automatically V will be equal to 0. And flag equal to 0. Flag equal to 0. Then printf number of operator and number of operand will be printed OPID. And we can display that expression is valid. If this case is not made, else that expression is invalid and we can return 1. Once next is integer ywrap. Ywrap function, what it does, it will, if all the input gets over, then successfully, then it will return 0, otherwise it will return 1. So if any expression, if any input is still there, then it will return 1. Now let us go to the output section. We can compile using the command lex pgm1.l. Okay. Now means it is compiled, no error. Next is we can compile cc lex.yy.c. Again it is compiled the C file also, no problem. Then we can a dot out. Then we can enter the expression like 2 plus 3. It is a, so number of identifier is 2, that is 2 and 3 both are identifier, and number of operator is 1, and total identifier again identifier 3. So here 2 is identifier plus is operator and 3 is identifier. Then you can press a control D. So number of operator 1 and number of operand 2, and it is an valid expression. Again we can display is, suppose 2 minus, let us see. So 2 is identifier, operator is minus, again control D, it is invalid because this is invalid expression. Again we can see that another little complex, 2 plus 3 into 4. We can see that 2 is identifier, plus is operator, 3 is identifier, into is operator, 4 is identifier, control D, number of operator is 2 and number of operand is 3, and expression is valid. This is how we can get the output for first A program. Thank you very much.